Sunrise Philippines 26C. How Illuminati controls the minds of the world. The Sunriser. Friends, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, the Sunrisers, the 7.8 billion people around the world, the 109 million Filipinos, 109 million Oferians, my co-Sunrisers, mga magsisidlak sa tibok kalibutan. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Our main discussion for today is how Illuminati controls the minds of the world. Paano po sa Illuminati nag-control sa minds of the 7.8 billion people around the world? Aba naman, ha? Nagtagumpay ba talaga yung Illuminati? Pinag-control po nila ang 7.8 billion people around the world. And take note, if we have to talk on the control of the minds of the people around the world, let's discuss on what really is the human brain. And take note, mayroon pong 11 organ systems ang tao. And one of the 11 organ systems is what we call as the nervous system. Sa nervous system, ano po ito talaga eh? It pertains po sa utak ng tao, sa brain po. And according to volume 13 of the Encyclopedia of Knowledge, 1999 edition, and page 247, ito po, 249 sa Encyclopedia of Grolier, Encyclopedia of Knowledge. Ito po talaga. Ano po, yung neuron, yung nervous system, mayroon po tayong neuron. Ano po itong neuron? Unsa man kining neuron? The basic building block of a nervous system is the neuron or nerve cell. So, sa utak po natin eh. And how many neurons or nerve cells in the human brain? We have several scientists and authors po talaga eh. The average number of neurons or nerve cells of the human person sa tao po is 86 billion neurons to 100 billion neurons. Okay? 86 billion to 100 billion neurons or nerve cells sa utak ng tao at the human brain sa utok sa tao. O kining function sa neurons or nerve cells, mao kini ang mudawat sa mga informations o mo paggawas sa informations in and out. No? And so, with this, ano po, mayroon bang maximum na number of neurons of the human brain? According to the Grolier Encyclopedia of Knowledge, page 249, sinabi po, the human brain, of course, that building block of the nervous system is the neuron or nerve cell, a cell that is specialized for transmission of information. So that neuron, mao kini ang musud sa information, and what we call this within, sulod nato, no? And out of the animal, no? Out sa kanato, no? And so the human brain alone has about 1 trillion individual nerve cells or neurons. 1 trillion individual nerve cells, any one of which may have several thousand direct connections to other nerve cells in the system. Now, that's in, according to volume 3, page 269, volume 3. sa volume 3, sa page 260, sabi sa volume 3 of page 269 of Grolier Encyclopedia of Knowledge, 269, sinabi po, mayroong 10 billion, no? 10 billion nerve cells ang utak ng tao, 269. Ito po ang sabi, no? 269. Okay? So, how many... Okay, sabi po ito. The average human brain at birth, pagkatao po natin, ang utak po ng tao is, its average maximum weight, no? Reach at 15 is, ito po, to 46 ounce, no? The total number of neurons in the human brain is billion. So ito po talaga, in contrast, so 10 billion po starting point ng tao. And so that's minimum, no? 10 billion. Nang pagdako na sa tao, the average number of neurons or yung nerve cells is 86 billion. So from 10 billion to 86 billion of neurons yung deposit po sa information inside, outside, pagawas, pasud, no? And to a regular of 100 billion neurons, no? Mga sundanan ka sa mga informations. And now, that's on page 269 of volume 3 of Grolier Encyclopedia of Knowledge. And also, the maximum, dito po, we have to reconcile naman sa different researches. Parang opposite po, kaya nga RDR, research, discover, and reflect. Kaya, para ma-reconcile po ito, mayroon parang contradictory po. Sa volume 3, it's 10 billion. Pero sa volume 13, it's not 10 billion, but 1 trillion. Kaya nga, that's maximum. And so, in another research, nagsabi na po Wikipedia, etc., mga informations talaga, different mga scientists, nagsabi 86 billion ang average. Instead of 100 billion, ito po ang 86, 100 billion. Now, how would we reconcile? Yung itong the 1 trillion nerve cells, parang mga extraordinary persons, scientists talaga napakalakas talaga yung kanilang pag-iisip, yung mga writers, etc. Yung mga scientists, discoverers, yung mga founders, etc. Para mga originators, marami talaga yung mga information. Kaya maximum yung mga 1 trillion nerve cells ng tao. Now, the main question now is this. How Illuminati controls the minds of the world? That's 7.8 billion people. Kaya nga ang brain, ang utak ng tao naman one brain with 100 billion neurons. And ito po ang 100 trillion connections. Kaya nga mayroong 100 trillion connections sa bawat tao. 100 trillion connections. Kaya nga nagpag-isipan naman sa Illuminati, mayroon pong warning talaga si St. Paul. Sa 1 Corinthians chapter 2 Corinthians chapter 11 verse 14, that the devil can transform himself as an angel of light. Kaya nga makita sa mga tao, parang ito ay angel of light, but in fact, it's the knowledge, it's the brain which is attacked, and pretending to be reason, and that's enlightenment. Ang utak Kaya nga, that's knowledge. But take note of the 7 gifts, maraming gifts of the Holy Spirit. Kaya if knowledge danger, men are dangerous because of the absence of wisdom. Wisdom is the breath of God, the real source, the control of the intelligence of the human being. Kaya nga all-knowing talaga lahat, parang perfect, parang righteous ang performance, how to do, when to do, all the angles of question, what, when, where, who, whom, lahat po ito is embodied on the wisdom talaga. Kaya nga pag walang wisdom, knowledge lang, kaya bright men are dangerous. Kaya ito ang justification. And how the Illuminati takes advantage of that principle and formula. Kaya ito po ang conspiracy theory. Ito na nga, conspiracy theory. Ang conspiracy theory. Let's now present this conspiracy theory. Ito po, mayroong 3 ways to spot a conspiracy theory. That's BBC ideas. Kaya we have to present credit to BBC.
The term conspiracy theory refers to explanations according to which events in the world are...
Okay, take note ha. Ito po talaga ang...
I got myself a flip phone without any apps. All it did was
Okay,
phone call,
ito po talaga ang
got
BBC.
rid of the distracting technology.
We have to present naman ha sa
When I found myself struggling with
BBC talaga,
I
okay?
decided to do
So
it.
here we have the paano po nila yung mayroon pong 3 ways, no? Paano po nila pinag
industrial
attack yung knowledge ng tao, no? So we have here the itong 3 ways, no? Okay, let's present talaga, no? I-present na po talaga natin, okay? We have here.
The term conspiracy theory refers to explanations according to which events in the world are caused by an evil plan plotted in secret by a small group of powerful individuals.
Some decades ago, there was this tendency to conceive conspiracy beliefs as pathological, but psychologists have shifted this. They now...
Okay. Take note, itong mga psychologists whole world, yun na different universities pinag-digest po nila, no? Paano pinag-control ang buong mundo sa kaisipan po That's what we call as conspiracy. Ano po ang ibig sabihin? Ito po talaga ang presentation.
They believe normal functions of our mind explains why people believe in conspiracy theory.
So ano ba talaga ang conspiracy? Okay? Let's define ano po talaga yung conspiracy. So yung conspiracy theories, ito talaga ay it is defined yung conspiracy theory as shared cultural phenomena. It's with their own intricate stories and internal logic. Okay? Ito po, yung mayroong shared cultural phenomena, it's with their own intricate stories and internal logic. So if we, ano po ang conspiracy theories? How Illuminati controls the minds of the world, they adopt yung maraming conspiracy theories. Ano po yung laman, yung nature, essence, ang dugukan nining conspiracy theories? Kini mahulagway, nining tulo ka aspito. Number 1, cultural phenomena. Ano po itong cultural phenomena? It was integrated in the culture of the people. Ano po yung culture? Yung culture talaga, yung practice ng tao. Deepened into the minds of the people, implanted. Yung culture, originated po ito Nag-culture ng tanom, parang pinag-inculturated po sa minds of the people. Parang it was implanted into the minds of the people that that practice should be done. Nga kanang maong mga gimbuhaton na tosup sa hunahuna sa mga tao nga kinig gayud mao'y pagabuhaton. Kaya naging cultural phenomena. Example po ito. Kahit in the church, there are teachings on modesty. Take note, that's one of the examples. Mayroon pong teachings of modesty, yung mag-attend ng Holy Mass. Ano pa ang culture ng tao, yung mga babae? Pag mag-attend ng Holy Mass, ito na sa cultures kaya mag-long pants. Kaya nga, ito ang cultural phenomena. Itong sa cultural phenomena naman ang yung part na ito, yung same-sex, naging culture naging practice naging legal pa. So ito ang mga pangyayari, conspiracy theories And it's with their own intricate stories. Mayroon pong mga background, papaano po ito nangyari. Ano po ang story? Kaya nga, we have to dig up RDR, research, discover, and reflect. Ano po ang intricate stories? Yung backgrounder Bakit nangyari po ito? Yan, kaya nga, we have the formula of causa et origo est materia negoti. The cause and origin is the substance of the thing. We have to trace up, ano po ang origin? Ano po ang kalagayan ng tao, yung the origin talaga, no? So, that's the essence. And so, that would explain everything. Kaya yung intricate stories, parang controversial talaga Kaya like this pandemic, we have to resolve this issue. That's an example anong pangyayari sa buong daigdig. And the third, yung aspect ng pinag-inculcate po sa minds ng tao ng part of culture po, stories. Part of the culture natin na mag-face mask, part na sa culture na rin, yung itong face shield, part of the culture na po, parang inculturated na Ito talaga. Mayroong intricate stories. Bakit? Example, na pag-discover na po na yung social distancing, naging culture na po sa mga tao, pinag-inject na parang ma-practice sa mga tao and part of the culture na. So ito, bakit pa? Ang intricate stories ito, na pag-discover po, na parang ma-practice ang mga tao ng social distancing, naging culture. Ang mangyari po, the inside story, yung intricate stories, there is a hidden plan Ang conspiracy theory, may hidden plan na the purpose here, the inner story, ang purpose po, para maging functional yung itong tinawag ng microchip at the pretense of vaccine. Yan ang grupo sa mga nakapag-discover po Kaya kapag mapasok na ito sa tuong kamay ng tao o kay Farid at the pretense of vaccine talaga, hindi ito maging functional yung program po ito That's the program. Hindi maging function, hindi ma-detect ang tao kapag walang social distancing. Kaya magdikit, tapot ang tao, dili may bawaan kung ikaw kana. So that part of the cultural phenomena, yung pinag-establish na naging kabahin na sa kinabuhi, sa katauhan, sa kalibutan nga social distancing, practice cultural phenomena. So that the intricate story, ang story behind, parang na-discover talaga na maging functional yung itong na patik na ito sa yung what we call this as the microchip. That's on the discovery. Ano po talaga? If another one, connected po sa 666 Kaya, Revelation chapter 13, verse 16 to 18. So, ang tao ay hindi makapagbili o they can never purchase or never sell unless mayroong patik. So, yung patik, that's mark of the best. Ito po talaga. So, connected po yung intricate stories, yung discovery sa spiritual aspect, mayroong warning po si St. John Kaya nga, it's now the time. To whom shall we believe? Shall we believe the warning of St. John? Shall we believe the warning of St. Paul? St. John, according to Revelation chapter 13, verse 16 to 18, 15 to 18, maniwala ba tayo sa warning ni St. Paul, chapter 2, verse 11 to 14? Maniwala ba tayo sa mga warnings sa saints, mga santos, na mangyayari in the future? Because those warnings constitute as a prophecy, and that prophecy is history written in advance. Ang prophecy mao ang kasaysayan nga naisulat sa wala pa mahitabo o gidayag ng daan. Kini ang mga pagpadayag. And so, ano po ang third factor po talaga ng conspiracy theory? Mayroon pong internal logic. Ang internal logic, ano po ang logic po Example po, parang magkasalungat talaga yung logic ng practicality at their own internal logic. Example po. Because of that social distancing na pinag-implement po sa itong COVID plan, no? COVID-19, ano po ang nangyari sa internal logic? Imagine, ang spouse, ang husband and wife, prohibited po sa LTO, Land Transportation, LTC, Commission, na pinag-prohibit po na mag-backride. Take note. Logic, ano po logic? Process of exact thinking. Now, if we have to analyze, parang practicality, pag gabi, maghahawakan ang couple lips to lips pa. Imagine, magkainan sila, open talaga. Take note sa logic, process of exact thinking. And yet, bakit pinag-inculturate? Parang naging part of the culture na bawal ang couple, even mga kapatid, even within the household, na mag-backride. Ano po ang internal logic? Kaya nga, ito ay nangyari because of conspiracy theory. There is a plan behind at the pretense using po, ginamit ang yung COVID-19. Kaya, ang pinagnakuha na pa rin yung COVID is Certificate of Vaccine ID. Ito po talaga kaya nga, let's proceed. Ano ang mga pangyayari sa buong mundo? Kaya nga, the truth will set us free. John 8 verse 32. Ang kamatuoran, muhatod kanato sa kagawasan. And we have only one master. It's God, not man. It's God. And take note, if proven na itong mga pangyayari sa buong mundo is only an effect of the Illuminati plan, take note. Take note, there is no more most powerful than God. And there is a warning in Malachias chapter 4, verse 1 to 3. And also a warning in Psalm chapter 91, verse 8, that the evil strategies, all the devils will be put to an end. And we can witness papaano mabagsak talaga yung mga naggawa ng mga structural sins or systems against the plan of God. Because God's will should triumph. Hindi po yung will ng tao. Kaya nga, if we have to reflect, yung Babylonian Empire, itong naggawa po sila ng Torre ng Babel, and they want to have that world government without God. Anong nangyari? God destroyed their plan. Kaya nagkaroon ng magkaparaming mga languages hindi po sila nagkapag-intindi. They failed to understand each other. Wa sila magkasinabtanay, kaya na-failure ang ilang plano. So in other words, man's plan will be frustrated in the proper time when God has to decide. Because God is the owner of time. And so let's proceed on conspiracy theory. Ano po ang pinag-discuss ng conspiracy theory? Take note, cultural phenomena, parang ang mga panghitabo sa kalibutan, yung mga pangyayari sa buong mundo, naging part of the practice culture talaga. Second, mayroong intricate stories. Parang ang mga kasaysayan, talagang may story talaga. We have to discover the hidden agenda. And the third, it involves intrinsic logic. Technicality prevail over practicality. Hindi po yung strict technicality ang magmogi over that practicality. Kaya nga, because that's part of the law of nature. And so let's proceed on what really is that conspiracy theory. So every conspiracy theory has three. Mayroon pong tatlo na mga elements. Ito, yung conspirator.
Plan,
Number two, the plan.
plan that they're trying to bring about, and the means of mass manipulation.
Mass manipulation. Okay. Ano po? Number one, mayroong conspirator. Ano ba yung conspirator? It deals on the persons na justice system. Conspiracy, parang nagkasabot. The criminal syndicate. Ito po ang gawin. You have to do it. I'll do this. And you do this. Synchronized po ito eh. Forever flock together. So magkaparihas silang mga huna-huna. Mauni buhaton na to. That's criminal acts. And so, pangalawa, ito po mayroong plan eh. Mayroong plano. Dunay plano unsay buhaton. And number three is what we call as mass manipulation. Ano ba ang mass manipulation? It should involve the people. So, making the people as the actors and actresses. Ano po ang plano nila? Ano po pinag-intindihan po nila? Ano po talaga ang the executioners, yung implementers, yung magtupad po, yung maggawa po. Ito ang mga tao. So, mass manipulation. Ito. And so, which, ano po ang ibang mga aksyon ng Illuminati?
Is keeping the plan secret. Sometimes the conspirator will be defined as a discrete body with an identifiable membership. The Lumina,
Okay?
that
So-
section of the population in the middle.
Okay, ano ba ang...
Bilderberg Group, Skull and Bone Society, and various other secret societies.
ito talaga. So, with regards to the manipulators, ito talaga ay secret societies. Parang unidentified. They do the best not to be known to the public. Kung sino po ang mga tao behind the Illuminati because they are called as secret societies. Bakit? Secret. Because if malaman ng tao in front na ito talaga, parang mag-ulbo ang mga tao sa kalibutan. And they will ultimately be defeated and conquered. Kaya nga, hidden po talaga eh. So as much as possible, cover up, cover up. Ito ang warning ni St. Paul sa 2 Corinthians chapter 11 verse 14 na mayroon pong angel of light parang as if they're doing right but in fact is covering the reality. Ito po talaga. So secret societies. Ito ang tinawag ng mga yung mga conspirator talaga. And so we have here the secret societies. And
Often, the conspirator will be defined in much vaguer terms. The big pharma, the military-industrial complex, global elites. and
let's
so
go on. Ano po itong sabi ng
Big pharma,
pharmaceutical industry does not create cures. They create customers. Ito po ha, take note. Yung mga pharmaceutical industry does not create cures. They create customers. Ano po ang nakita? According naman ito ha, sa mga analyst, yung mga discoverers naman eh. Nakita po nila, yung business po ito eh. If you have to analyze na sa nangyari sa buong bansa ng Pilipinas, mayroong fabunan solusyon ng itong what we call as yung COVID-19. It was not picked up or ignored talaga eh. Bakit? Because there is that big pharma business worldwide. Anong kaugnay po ni Bill Gates? Sabi naman sa mga nag-discovery talaga, yung pharmaceutical industry does not create cures, but they create customers. What does it mean? They create customers, meaning the application of the warning of Saint Matthew in chapter 6, verse 24. Anong sabi ni Saint Matthew, chapter 6, verse 24? You cannot serve two masters between God or money. So you have to choose God or money. And so, kaya nga, when money is used as the master, kung himuon ang kwarta, nga maoy master, the goal, ang tumong mo ang kwarta, that's business. Ang mangyari po, God's will is defeated. So ang plano sa Diyos, mawa ka na, bagsak ang plano sa Diyos. Because what is emphasized is business, profit talaga. Kaya at the midst of sacrificing the 7.8 billion people around the world, ito po ang pangyayari sa buong mundo. And so, kaya nga, they create customers sa profit talaga We have to analyze, ano naman in the Philippines, because we have to express analysis, RDR, research, discover, and reflect. We have to share our reflections. Nang nagkaroon po ng typhoon sa Luzon, mayroon pa bang funding sa disaster o naubos na ang funding? Bakit It was spent out for the COVID. Spent out na for the COVID. We have to trace, dangerous na ba talaga Kaya nga, nawala ang funding. Out of the budget ang bansang Pilipinas. At saka affecting the 81 provinces of the Philippines, 1,488 municipalities, 146 cities, and 42,045 barangays throughout the Philippines. Affected talaga. Kaya nga, sino ba ang nag-mastermind na ito ang mga pangyayari sa buong daigdig? Ito ang part of the Illuminati. And so, ano pa ang mga further explanations? And we have to digest talaga Ito po.
Military-industrial complex, global elites, and so on. So they're always balancing between the need to define the enemy,
Okay, we have here.
and so on.
Ito ang explanation, yung mga global elites. Only few po ito. Only few. Global elites, they are making the plan on what will happen on this planet Earth. Ito po talaga. Sila ang nagplano kung ano ang mangyari sa buong daigdig. And we have to obey their plan. Conspiracy theory. And so let's proceed. Ano pa ang mga ginawa? Ito po talaga. Because take note in advance, Saint Paul, nagsabi po, sa first letter po niya, may warning na si Saint Paul Sa 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verse 26 to 28, mayroon ng warning si Saint Paul. Ano pong sabi ni Saint Paul? Gituyo pagpili sa Dios ang giisip sa mga tao nga walay kapuslanan aron pakaulawan ang mga maalamon o gipili niya kadtong giisip nga huyang aron pakaulawan ang mga taong gamhanan. God purposely chose what the world considered nonsense in order to shame the wise. And He chose what the world considers weak in order to shame the powerful. Gipili sa Dios ang mga sinalikway og mga tinamay niining kalibutan na og ang gipakawalay bili sa mga tao aron paghimong walay kapuslanan niadtong mga butang nga giisip nilang maynungdanon aron wala gayoy magkapagarbo at ubangan sa Dios. He chose what the world looks down on and despises and thinks is nothing, in order to destroy what the world thinks is important. And so this is the warning of St. Paul. Because the Illuminati attacks the intelligence of the people as if they are so very brilliant. As if they are using the 1 trillion, yung what we call as the neurons ng tao, palang ginamit po nila. But ano po, yung 1 trillion itong neurons ng tao, which connects to 100 trillion connections. 100 trillion connections po talaga. Imagine how they control this world. Ito po. And so take note that God owns time. God is wisdom, the source of wisdom. No one could defeat the wisdom of God. Therefore, this is a fight between knowledge versus wisdom. Although knowledge is one of the gifts of God, but in the absence of wisdom, that knowledge becomes dangerous. That knowledge should be checked by wisdom, and wisdom shall tell the truth, because God is wisdom. Kaalam sa Diyos. Busa, ang mga way bilinin ng kalibutan, ang mga way buot giila nga way hinungdan, dili scientist, dili theologian, mga ordinaryong tao, mo lamang ang posible o giingon ni San Pablo nga makautingkay pagpadayag sa kamaturan. God is truth, and the truth will set us free. John 14:6 times John 8:32. And so ano po ang sabi? Ito ang Illuminati. Parang yung mga operations po.
So they're always balancing between the need to define the enemy and the need to accept that the enemy is always going to be shady, secret, and so on. Accept that the enemy...
Ano po ito nakita? One eye. Ito ang Illuminati. Yung logo po nila. Okay? One eye. Kaya may warning ang Panginoon. That's the angel of light as if. That's on 2 Corinthians 11 verse 14 Ito triangular Instead of the most holy trinity, ito talaga Illuminati. So that's to mislead the people. Parang ma-mislead po ang tao sa buong mundo.
The enemy is always going to be shady, secret, and so on.
Part 2. Okay. The evil plan. So, ang part 1, mayroon pong conspirator. So, the persons, who are those persons planning na ito ang mangyari sa buong mundo? They have the plan of depopulation. Anong depopulation? Destroy the plan of God on population. Parang go to the world and multiply. Opposite po, decrease the population. So one of the examples para ma-decrease ang population, mag-unay ang mga babae, mag-unay ang mga lalaki. Kaya nga, the Pope Francis declared same-sex civil union. Kaya nga, question, is Pope Francis not one of the brains of Illuminati? Action speaks louder than words. Kaya pinag-discuss na Ngayon yung Illuminati penetrates even in the church, from the clergy up, bishops, cardinals, hanggang upward. Kaya may warning, Mother Mary, that Rome will become the seat of the Antichrist. Ang Roma, mahimong lingkuranan sa Antichrist. Ang Roma, mapulpog ang pagtuo. Kaya nga, the role of the Philippines, rescue Rome, rescue the church, get ready, press of the Philippines. Get ready, bishops of the Philippines. Get ready, Catholic Bishops Conference of the Philippines, led by Archbishop Romulo Valles of Mariboc, Bohol, serving as Archbishop of the Archdiocese of Davao. Ito po talaga. And so, if Luis Cardinal Tagle would be showing his deep dedication, loyalty to the Philippines, and not in loyalty to the globalists, because we know na aralan na they are planning to endorse Cardinal Tagle to become the next pope because they want to continue their plan using Cardinal Tagle, and yet let the CBCP move on strong, and let we pray Cardinal Tagle to be loyal to the Philippines, rescue the church from Rome, transfer to the Philippines. Ano po ang mangyari? Kapag ang dito na sa Pilipinas, the church, rescue the church, luwason ng simbahan, gikan sa nahugno nga pagpadagan sa Roma. Mahitabo na ang mga santong papa will rise from the Philippines. There will be several cardinal bishops from the Philippines. There will be several cardinal priests from the Philippines. There will be several cardinal deacons from the Philippines. And we hope and pray nga pinaagi sa mahal nga Birhen sa Kalinaw ug maayong panaw, Birhen sa Kasilak, Our Lady of Light, Our Lady of Peace, and Good Voyage. These strong priests, these strong bishops, these strong cardinals from the Philippines, maglig-on kini for the church as the first foundation of the fullness of God's kingdom on earth, to fight part 2 of this evil plan of Illuminati. Ano po ang part 2 sa evil plan after knowing the conspirator? Ito po ang evil plan ng Illuminati.
Conspiracy theorists will often argue that if you destroy a group of powerful people in the world, you will not destroy the conspiracy because the plan is the key thing. Very often,
Okay.
not destroy the conspiracy because the
Ito, fake photo claims moon landing. Claims mo. Ito po talaga, parang katawanan. Nag-claim po ng moon landing si Hawks. Let's try to, because the truth will set us free. Nagsabi na po, Americans, landing po sa moon. It's one of the issues. At any rate, the truth will set us free. Parang mislead po ang buong daigdig. Maraming mga pangyayari sa buong daigdig, parang na-mislead po. Ito.
plan is the key thing. Very often, that plan is going to involve world domination. But if one looks at the level of cover-up that would be required in order to keep
Okay, we have here the Jesuit world, no? Jews. Kaya itong Jesuit, no? Jesuit, where Pope Francis, dito po siya sa Jesuit. Itong mga Illuminati, ito po talaga mga people around. Ito po, ha? So take note, sino pong mga tao behind this. Okay, another one. Ito po, ha?
all these things secret, it necessitates
The New World Order.
somebody who
Okay? Nakita ba ninyo, ha? The New World Order. So, ang Illuminati, may book po sila, may platform po sila ng New World Order. Kaya nga, it's not kaya nga, it's not surprising na pinag-introduce na itong new normal. That would be the line of thinking na ano po parang mo adapt ang lahat ng mga tao. That should be done. That should be done. Kaya mayroon na. New World Order. Implemented. New normal. So ito po, that's correct. Parang nakita natin na that's righteous But let's have the deepest analysis. Ano po talaga ang mangyari? And who really make the plan? Ito po, New World Order. And so,
who is actually
Ito.
in control of everything.
Part 3, mass manipulation.
Much of the conspiracist writing will involve control of everything.
Control everything, so mass manipulation.
Much of the conspiracist writing will involve trying to analyze what strategies and what power the conspirators have to keep their sinister plan or their identity hidden. Very often the manipulation comes from
Okay? Ano talaga? Number 1 is conspirators, yung nagplano. Number 2, the devil plan. And number 3, mayroon pong plano step by step po ito And number 3 is mass manipulations. So ano po parang mass manipulations? Parang all peoples around the world should comply, should do it. At ito pong mga lockdown, ito pong mga pangyayari, parang mandated all over the world. Lahat uniform Kaya nga, why? Because this Illuminati penetrates in the governments, economic system, mass media, social media, lahat. Controlled lahat with this conspiracy theory using the intelligence. Mayroon pang mga marami using this doctrine, this what we call as fear. Itakot po ang tao. Takutin po ang tao, hadlukon ang mga tao, kini mo yung mga hitabo. And that really is happening in the world. Para matakot, mao ba? Parang the mental logic ng tao parang destroyed That's conspiracy theory. So, ito po talaga, sirain ang utak ng tao as against what really is the truth So, we have here, ano po ang nangyari? So, we have here,
the plausible, things like science, government, media ownership, to the ludicrous. Paranormal manipulation, use of occult powers, manipulation of brain waves.
Conspiracy believers, I think they genuinely believe in the theories, and they really strive for the truth. It may seem naive, but there is this human tendency to underestimate the role that chance alone can play in events.
okay. Now, ano po talaga? Ito ang mga, we have here to digest naman If, ang pinag-attack po, ang nervous system ng tao. So sa nervous system, incorporated na ito Kapag matakot ang tao, mahadlok siya, it reduces faith. If a person parang mahadlok na siya, it decreases faith. It diminishes faith. Parang mawala ka na ng pagtuo sa Panginoon Maubos na, mawala, o matandog ang iyong pagtuo sa Diyos. Because what is controlled, what is controlling in the human life, ito po ang kaniyang pagtakot So lack of faith of God. Ito ang mangyari. Integrated po ito sa nervous system. Kaya pag manervous na ang tao, rattled na ang tao, wala ng Panginoon, vertical relation sa kaniya, parang mentally out po siya, dali lang makontrol ang tao. So ito ang conspiracy theory. Nervous system talaga is being attacked. Dealing on the nervous system, it controls all of your body's activities. Lahat ng mga activities ng tao, i-control po ito sa nervous system. Kaya nga, none of your other systems would function without your nervous system. Pinag-attack po ang nervous system ng tao And so, it receives information about your environment. So, kaya nga, environmental system. It stores memories. So, ito po talaga. So, kaya ang nervous system, network po ito sa nerve cells called neurons. Kaya, ang mga information po, that's the very reason na mayroon pong daily canvassing Ano po ang daily canvassing? Hourly canvassing Mag-canvass how many death namatay per hour per minute, per second. Nag-canvass Ano po talaga? But don't you know Napakaraming namatay na included and registered as COVID-caused death and yet not really COVID. 2 days, 2 weeks after, days after, negative talaga. And yet the report is COVID registered worldwide. Mga accidents na namatay, registered COVID. Inside secret, bakit ba? Sa PhilHealth syndicates. Ano ba? Because pag mag-PhilHealth, i-accredit po ito ng COVID, kapag COVID-caused po talaga, ang mangyari, i-registered po ito sa COVID. Pag COVID, ang mangyari po, mayroong 30% for the doctors. Ito po talaga. So kaya nga, we pray. And don't worry talaga. Because we are making a history. So we have to choose. What history po? A small h ba ang atin? Or capital H? Because if we choose capital H, history means His refers to God. History means capital H is the story of God with His people. Yung mga people, mga tao, are making a history being the science of obedience in the execution of divine plan, divine... So, nabungkag, ha? Basta mabungkag ang plano sa Diyos. If the plan of God will be destroyed, capital H will be changed to small h. If the plan of God is destroyed, the history would be not capital H, kundi small h. Kaya, history without God. Or we have to choose. Ito po talaga ang mangyayari. And so, we have to preserve that nervous system because the intelligence, the tatlong essential feature sa tao mayroon po tayong intelligence, mayroon po tayong human freedom, intelligence, mayroon po tayong human freedom, at saka mayroon po tayong intellect. Ito ang nagkapag-iba sa atin sa ibang mga animals So, since we have that intellect, mayroon po tayong intellect, mayroon po tayong moral freedom, mayroon po tayong will. So, yung intellect or intelligence, mayroon po tayong will. Ano po ang gawin natin? Will. At pangatlo, mayroon po tayong moral freedom. Supposedly, this intelligence should be filled up with wisdom from God. Without wisdom, knowledge lang, yung intellect o intelligence maging dangerous po Kaya ang will po ng tao, ano po ang gawin niya? It's not from the will of God, but will of the devil. Ano po mangyari? Pag will of the devil, ang kaniyang freedom po is freedom to do bad, walang freedom to do good. It's how the Illuminati destroys the basics of the human operations whole world. Kaya ginawa po nila yung conspirator part 1, part 2, ito po ang devil plan, and part 3, ito ang mass manipulation. And so, we hope and pray that our Mother Mary, ang mahal nga Birhen, maoy magagiya kanatong tanan. We pray that we will be enlightened, we will be guided, because our enemies are not persons. Our government authorities are doing their best, believing that what is implemented is really God's. But the truth will set us free with all humility. Ang masinabut, ang mapaubsanon, masinabtanon. It's the pride that hinders to fully comprehend what really is the divine plan, divine will on earth. K is humility. Ang mapaubusanon, masinabuton o masinabtanon. And we have to pray through Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage and Birhin sa Kasilak, Our Lady of Light.
Birhen sa Kasilak, siglaki ang among salamputan, siglaki ang dalan namong gilaktan, ug siglaki ang tibuok kaligtutan. Amen.
To be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide. Hold me closely to his side. With love and strength for each new day, he will make a way. Will make a way. Oh, God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide. Hold me closely to his side.
Santos,
For each new day,
Santos,
He will
Santos.
make a